Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to customize screen mode, which will adjust screen colors on your Samsung Galaxy S25 Plus. So to do it, go to the settings, then in the settings go to display, and in display you will see something like the screen mode. It is here, and here you can view the example pics on how it looks, but you can set it to the vivid or natural. So I don't really see much difference, but if you do, then it's up to you. And in the vivid mode you can change the white balance to make the display cooler or warmer. I actually see the difference now with the warmer tone, which blocks some blue light, so it's safer to the eye and also more comfortable, especially at night or when reading. You can also go to the advanced settings, and here you can adjust the white balance yourself with the vividness as well. So you can change the vividness. I think it actually changed some things. And the white balance can be also changed. So it's just like that for reds, for greens, and for blues you can change it. And that's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.